off on washed, stretched, and moisturized hair. I'm spraying down my hair with water because this is a gel product and the color distributes so much better on wet hair. I highly recommend going in with a moisturizer first to eliminate dryness from the gel when it dries. I'm going in with the CurlSmith hair makeup in Ruby Red. This is a styling gel and a temporary color all in one. You use it as if you're using any other styling gel. That's why I love this so much. The texture is thick and tacky, and a little goes a long way. It's super vibrant, does not contain any dyes, and you don't need to wear gloves to apply it, although it can get really messy. I'm going to do some flat twists all around my head. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and remove the hair makeup off of my face. It comes off so easy with no effort. It's the next day and my hair is 100% dry. It literally looks like I dyed my hair. The color is vibrant and it stays vibrant until the day you decide to wash it out. I have movement, bounce, and my hair feels soft and shiny. The color does not transfer when it's 100% dry, which is great. I love this color so much. There's absolutely no reason for me to ever dye my hair, and I am literally obsessed. I have some great news to share with you all, so if you want to see all of the colors on my hair, check me out on Ulta. Yes, Ulta girl. And CurlSmith.com. I'll leave the link in the description. All of the colors show up amazingly on dark hair, and it's worth trying if you want to switch up your style without damaging your hair. I love CurlSmith products. They're cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and curly girl method approved. If you've tried these products, leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about these products. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!